Hello and welcome aboard to Wolf Riley Airlines. Today we're going to go to, well, I have no clue where we're going, but we're cleared to take off. We'll take off shortly here. Just let nobody pass. Okay, let's go. Today's in-flight movie is, last episode, of GTA. Yep, that sounds good. This is probably gonna be about 2-minute flight. I don't know why you guys paid so much to have me fly you on this private jet, but we did, and I'm not asking why. So today we're gonna try to land on this. Oh, it's not gonna happen. Oh, we're on fire. Repeat. Control tower. We're gonna need to land somewhere. Oh, we're okay. Okay. I got my parachute, so you can unlock that on this huge building I tried to crash into. That's a real building. When I went on a plane a few weeks ago, that was there when I went to LA, or when my plane stopped in LA. Okay, we're gonna get up to speed and altitude, and I'm gonna jump. See ya. Oh, my plane exploded. Oh, that was okay. Hope you enjoyed your in-flight movie. Whoa. Is that a plane? Huh. Okay, we're gonna try to, what's this? Gonna try to take that. No! Come back! Give me your car. I'm kidnapping this guy. Enough of this zigging and zagging. Did he jump out? Nope. Aw, man. He was yelling a bunch of funny stuff. He was like, enough of this zigging and zagging. It was funny. They were in their hippie mobile. Whoa. That was close, Swan. Whoa. So, we're gonna try to get back to that big building, and then we're gonna try to get another plane. I think we're gonna try to get the other one so we can land on that building, because that's pretty fun. Uh-oh. Come on.
Can anybody in this state drive?
Can anyone in California drive? I actually don't know. Oh, that's a cool plane up there. Oh, jeez. Dun 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 dun. I'm back. Whoa, sweet. Not that that sweet. It's not that realistic. Dun 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 dun. Wait. Over there. Okay. Dun 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 dun.
That's funny.
Can I get up this end? No, I can't. Oh, I can't because it's the wrong building, that's why. That makes it a little bit... Oh, there's a cop. Okay, let's get another parachute. Nice view. At first I thought the only way to get up there was... Sweet car! Sweet car! Oh. Please stop. Of course.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey, I need your car.
Out the beat.
Oh, she's hot. I'll steal her.
Are you like one of Sergio's friends or something?
Who's Sergio? Oh. Oh, sweet. She's going with me. Aww. It's not. She didn't like my pickup strategy. Just kidnap him. Dun, 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 dun.
What's your problem, homie?
Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Oh. Ooh. That had to have hurt. Uh-oh. Now that I got another parachute, this way. I'm gonna jump the fence. That's an armored van right there. Gonna need your car. It's just official business. I think that was worth it. Yeah, it was worth it. Okay, I'm gonna try to land in a field this time. Maybe even in a river. That doesn't sound too fun though. Let's turn her around. Control tower, we're ready for takeoff. You're set to go. Take off whenever you're ready. But hurry up, because there's other planes waiting. Thank you. Thank you for your hospitality, Los Santos. Oh, we took the wrong plane. We're gonna need to come back. Do not want this plane anymore. Is that gonna explode? It probably will. Shoot at it. Why not? Oh, as you can see, I got a new outfit. Sweet. It's pretty sweet. There's a gas tank on these, isn't it? A wheel or something? No, stop. Jeez. How do I grab one of those? I want one. So I could shoot him. I'm stealing this. Give it to me.
Let's move on.
Oh, got some sweet handling. Okay, there's probably gonna be a part 2 of this. Okay. Goodbye.